Tonight, we're celebrating the arrival of not just the full moon, but the seasonal blue moon. There you can see above the horizon, the bright dot. That's not the sun, that is indeed our moon.
Just looking at the
Absolutely.
moon's limb here, the moon's edge, at the lower left, you can actually see a mountain over the horizon. The moon being only 2,160 miles across, its horizon, its ground slopes and curves a lot faster than ours does. And look at that mountain in the sunlight, catching the rays of the sun.
It's great,
It's
isn't
actually
it?
over the edge. It's sitting on the dark side of the moon, but the mountain is the peak
Yeah,
is standing
it's
up
lit.
within view. It's great. There is no object that we see in life other than the sun, which is generally not safe to look at directly. There's nothing that we see that's as round as a perfectly full moon. And
well, the names are never as mysterious as one might think. The full flower moon is an indication of flowers beginning to bloom. That spring flowers forth, if you will.
Well, I love the fact that, different tribes across North America had their different names for them. And it's all about storytelling and about putting the world around them, I guess, in their context, in one way or another.
We're thinking back hundreds of years now, right? So it was very much an oral tradition, and there was no calendar per se. There was no certainly television and internet, by which to actually count the days and make appointments. So folks looked to the natural world to be an indication of what time of year it was and what practices that they would pick up and continue at that period.
Actually, while we're just looking at that, let me just move it about for you a little bit so you can see that it's live. There you go. I'm moving the telescope here. Pretty amazing stuff. Wow, look at those mountains. Now, as we move, you see further and further away from the moon being full, more of the features on the edge of the moon start to get shadow on them, and they come alive with this 3D nature.
we can see that the moon is just off the top edge, and we've got these other two objects nearby. And people who have a clear sky tonight, the northeastern United States is buried under pretty much overcast, but those parts of the world that have clear skies, go on out, look lowish in the southeast, and you'll see what looks like a baseball diamond with the moon at the top of the diamond and several stars forming the other parts of it. And here's what you're seeing. The lowest star, which looks orange, is the famous star in Scorpius, the major star of Scorpius, Antares, supergiant star. The one on first base, that is on the right side of the diamond, that's the planet Mars, and that's the brightest of all the objects, except for the moon, of course. The moon is at the top, would be on second base, and on the left side is the planet Saturn. So if you have a backyard telescope pointed at, if you're going to point it anywhere, I'd say skip the moon, skip Mars, go right to Saturn, and you'll be glad you did.
Yeah.